Hey, it's Dan Diggler. Welcome to another episode of I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge. Today I want to talk about websites. I've been building websites for, over 15 years actually. It's kind of how I started in marketing, was doing websites. And, there's kind of three myths that I want to kind of debunk today or maybe talk about a little bit, just to help you better understand what's going on online as things change real quick. There's three big major ones that I want to talk about. One is, if you build it, they will come. Two, can't rank on the front page of a search anymore. And then three, all I need is a better website, which is sort of like the first one, but we'll get into the nuance in a second. So if you build it, they will come. Field of Dreams, great movie. It's a lie. Yeah. No, you can build all the websites you want, but just building them isn't really going to make anything happen. People still have to find it, and just like in the traditional world, if you opened a store somewhere or if you started selling a brand new product that nobody knew about, how are you going to go about getting them to, know that you exist? It's the same way. You're going to advertise, you're going to have to promote. Hopefully you already have an email list so you can get, your subscribers to come out to the site. But don't think that just by building a website you're going to get found. Two, can't rank on the front page of a search anymore. Not true. I've done it over and over and over again. It's quite possible. There are so many websites out there, so many niches, so many communities looking for very, very specific things that it's known as the long tail. Basically, most people are searching questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? Or something really specific, like how do I get my grass to grow blue? I don't know. But somebody out there's probably trying to grow bluegrass. And the point is those longer search terms have fewer searches, but fewer people competing to get to the top. Some are more valuable than others, of course. And in your industry, there are specific ones that make more sense to try to rank for than others. But that's just one way that you can rank to the top, is looking to the long tail. Another way is looking at local SEO. I don't know if you've done a Google search recently, but they put the Google Maps, the map results up there for when somebody's searching for like a mechanic or a plumber or a painter, or a local grocery store, movie theater, etc. And if you have all of your information correct within Google Maps, and that's all cross-verified with the website, etc., Google will do a really good job of showing you. And those usually show up at the top of the first page. So you got a really good shot of getting up there. The other way to rank on a first page is really just advertise and to pay and get up there in the ad ranking. I know it sounds kind of like cheating, but look, it's still a first page result. And even though most people click on the organic search, you do still get plenty of clicks up in the advertising, slots, and it's quite valuable. Last myth that I want to talk about is all I need is a better website. If that's all it took to get more people and more clients, then everybody would just be redoing their websites left and right. It doesn't take a better design. It doesn't take what's trendy, what's hot. What it takes is sitting down and understanding what is it that your customers want. What are they trying to learn? What are they searching for? And having that for them. So just building new websites and more websites and adding more pages to your site doesn't always get you what you need. Sometimes doing it the right way and with a real strategy in mind matters. So those are three major myths regarding websites that I've come across in the last 15 years of building them. I really wanted to share them with you. So if you're looking into doing a new website and you want to take a more strategic approach to it, give me a call. Otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow in the next I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge. Talk to you then.